In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save elements in the email builder in Go High Level. We'll walk through this inside the platform step by step so you can quickly reuse your favorite sections, buttons, or layouts without rebuilding them every time you send an email. First, from your Go High Level dashboard, look for the main menu and head over to the marketing section. This is where all your communication tools live, including emails, social planner, and more. Make sure you're in the correct location or account before you proceed, especially if you manage multiple brands or clients. Once you're inside marketing, click on emails. This takes you to the area where you can manage broadcasts, campaigns, and templates. We'll be working specifically with email templates because that's where you'll be building and saving the elements you want to reuse. Next, click on the Templates tab. This is your library of designs. Think of this as your central hub for all the email layouts you've created or imported. If it looks a little empty, that's totally fine. We're about to create something you can use again in the future. Now, look for the new button and click on it. This starts the process of creating a new email template. You're not just sending a one-off email here, you're building something you'll be able to access and edit anytime. After that, choose Email Marketing Templates. This tells the system that you want to create or use a template designed for regular email marketing, like newsletters, promotions, or announcements, instead of a different type of email. You'll now see a selection of templates. Choose the one that best matches the structure you want. It can be a simple layout or something more complex. Remember, the element you're going to save can be a section, a row, or a specific block like a button, image, or text area. Once the template opens in the email builder, click on the specific element you want to save. Make sure you're selecting the right level. For example, if you want to reuse an entire section with multiple columns, click on that section, not just a single text block. With the element selected, look above it for the Save icon. Click on that Save icon. You'll usually be prompted to give your element a name, so choose something clear and descriptive, like Promo Header with Button, or Testimonial section. After saving, this element will be available in your saved elements or sections, ready to drag and drop into future emails and save you a lot of time.